Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through C1 Advanced, Open Cloze, exercise number CAE024. Let's start with number 1. In response to the question, Mary said that as blank as she knew, the house was empty. The correct answer is far. The phrase as far as is used to indicate the extent of someone's knowledge or belief about something. For example, as far as I know, the meeting is still on. This collocation shows the limit of Mary's knowledge. Moving on to number 2. I knew there were rabbits in the park, but I've never seen that blank of them here before. The correct answer is many. The phrase that many is used to emphasize a large quantity. For example, I've never seen that many people in one place before. This collocation highlights the surprising number of rabbits seen. Next up, question 3. I need the name of the person blank car is parked right in front of mine. He's completely blocking me. The correct answer is whose. The phrase whose car is used to indicate possession. For example, can you tell me whose book this is? Here's question 4. Go down to the building site quickly. There appears to blank been a bad accident. The correct answer is have. The phrase appears to have been is used to indicate that something seems to have happened. For example, he appears to have left early. This phrase suggests that an accident has likely occurred. On to question 5. We've now discovered you were the person who broke the door, and in that blank, we cannot be held responsible. The correct answer is case. The phrase in that case is used to refer to a specific situation or scenario. For example, in that case, we should reconsider our plans. This clarifies the responsibility based on what has been discovered. Question 6. This is a great book. Blank only for those that are geology experts, but also for keen amateurs like myself. The correct answer is not. The phrase not only but also is used to connect two positive statements. For example, she is not only a talented singer, but also a skilled dancer. This phrase emphasizes that the book is suitable for both experts and amateurs. Question 7. I don't like blank type of spice, but pepper in particular I can't stand. The correct answer is any. The phrase any type of is used to refer to all kinds within a category. For example, I don't like any type of seafood. This phrase emphasizes the general dislike of spices. And now, finally, question 8. I've read blank single book you can see in this room. I think I read 3 books a week. The correct answer is every. The phrase every single is used to emphasize each individual item in a group. For example, she checked every single detail. This stresses that all the books have been read. That's all for today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.